Hello kids, welcome to my channel. Colors name: brown color, light green color, pink color, light grey color, green color, dark grey color, military color, or we can say dark green color, orange color, green color, purple color. A for apple. B for ball. C for cat. D for dog. E for elephant. F for fish. G for God. H for hen. I for ice cream. J for joker. K for kite. L for lion. M for monkey. N for nest. O for owl. P for piano. Q for queen. R for ring. S for star. T for tomato. U for umbrella. V for village. W for watermelon. X for xylophone. Y for yak. Z for zebra. And at last, sweet kitty for happy kids. So kids, we learned A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z, and at last small smiley for happy kids. So kids, hope you like my video. So please don't forget like, share and subscribe my channel. We will see you in a new video. Till then, bye.